Last night I had a meetup, and so I was giving them a demo of how to program an easy automation to get people to opt in via text message, and I did it right in front of them while they were watching on the screen. So I created this Fiverr meetup list right here. I had 10 people subscribe right then and there, and when I created that, let me show you the automation real quick. So right here, this is the automation. And what I did was, if they subscribe to this list, they're going to get this quick little email that says, "Hi there, give me a bit. I'll send you the stuff soon. Please give me till tomorrow. Signature Carlos." And that will go ahead and basically just send them a quick email. And then also it sends them a text. "Hey, I'll send it to you mañana." Okay. Now I went ahead and I put a year just to kind of buy me some time to create these next steps. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make good on my promise. I'm going to go ahead and put the links that I promised to send it to them, because I told them that if they wanted, here, let me show you really quickly. Let me just hang on a second. So this right here is a blueprint that I promised them. All right, so this is the flow chart of how we're going to do it. And then this is basically my natural sales process slide. So I walked them through this entire thing. So I told them, I promised them that I was going to send them this document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this file as a PDF to my Google Drive. And then I'm also going to share this interactive map as well, so that way they can kind of just scroll, zoom in, and all that jazz. And I'm going to do that right now with you. So let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and let me make this big and go back here. Okay, so let's go here and type in the message. Now, I don't have their first names. Well, for the most part, I think I don't. Hang on, let me pause real quick. I don't want to waste your time. Let me just double check I have the first names. Okay, so for the most part, everyone has a first name. There was like one person that I only had like the first letter in their name, and I'm going to use that for the first name because I want to personalize the email, and I also want to personalize the text. So let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and edit this email right here, and I'm going to make good on my promise. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to select a previous email I've used in the past. Let's use this one that I've used yesterday. Here you go. First name, save, close, continue. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put first name here. Okay, hi first name. I'm making good on my promise. Thanks again for coming out last night. Right? It was a ton of fun. Click here to download the blueprint. Click here. Well, let's do. All right, let me just put this up here. So I'm typing up the email at the same time. Thanks again for coming out last night. It was a ton of fun. I'm making good on my promise. And then here's the blueprint. Here's the blueprint. Here are the links to the blueprint. The blueprint and the. Okay, here are the links. Here's the blueprint. There we go. Let's just keep it simple. All right. Blueprint. Click here to download the blueprint. All right. So there we go. We're gonna do that, and then here's the interactive version. Okay, so now what I want to do is I really want to put it on my website, because what will happen is that since I have a tracker on my site, I'll be able to cookie them and then track everything they're doing on my site in the future. So let me create a site really quickly. Miami Marketer, miamimarketer.com/WP admin. There we go. Okay, and I'm gonna do pages, all add new, and I have a page here. Where are you at? It's FIO. So we're gonna go here and access the blueprint. Okay, so I'm just going to do this here, and I'm going to upload the file right up here. Let's do backend editor. Let's do add element. Let's do a section here. Let's do close. Sure, why not? Spacer. Oops, space. Close. And let's do that right there. And let's do, you know what? Let me do 2. Let's do 4. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is kind of boring, or this is really fun for you. You get to see behind the scenes. We're going to go like that. And I'm going to put the button right over here. So button. We're going to do eye-catching button. Okay. Let's just close that for now, and I'm going to just duplicate that because I'm just kind of just creating the structure of what I'm trying to do. So this one is going to link to the board. So I'm going to click on this right here and click on this. All right. Copy. And let's go ahead and access interactive blueprint. And then the URL is going to be this one right here. Open link in new tab and all that good stuff. Oh, wait, didn't I change that already? Text on the button. Access interactive blueprint. Select URL. Didn't I save this already? Open link in new tab. Okay. Let's make it blue, whatever. Save. All right. And then this one is going to be to download the file, but I need to upload the file first. So where's my media? All right, let me download it first. So let me go ahead and file, save as PDF, best quality, export, download. Okay, and let's see, can I just upload it from here? Let's see. So I'm gonna just select URL. Nope. I need to upload the media first. So let's do this. Let me just click on this right quick. Upload file, select file, download, share Fiverr Meetup. And I'm just going to grab this URL after it loads right over here. And I'm not going to set that as kind of image. I'm just going to grab that and then copy there and download PDF file. PDF, download blueprint, PDF, select URL. There you go. Open link in new tab, set link, and we'll do orange. All right, let's just do a quick little preview. And there you go. Very simple. All right, so let me just kind of put another spacer here. Let me add a new section. Oops, let's do close, and let me do another space right over here. So that way, it kind of adds a little bit of space right before the footer. And there we go, right there. So all I want them to do is to click. All right, and you know what? Let me go ahead and make this a sidebar, have a sidebar as well. So I'm gonna do right sidebar, so that way they can access, they can see like ads on the right hand side in case they want to schedule an appointment with me and all that stuff. Okay, so it's a very simple page, but it's doing so much work for me. It's gonna let me see what they're doing, and I can track them whenever they come to my site ever again, so I can know who's really engaged and who's not. So let me go ahead and save this file. I mean this page. Okay. Publish. And this is the link right here. Copy. Copy link address. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and click here. Click here to access the blueprints. All right, now I'm gonna, oops, no, I need to highlight that, click on this little chain link. Sometimes I can press Command K and it'll work, but not. Talk soon, Carlos. Okay. All right, so that's it. So I want them to click from the email. All right, so let's go ahead and click on next. And I do want to do reply tracking in case they reply. I want to be able to track that. Okay. And now the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and also send them a text. Copy, because I already have it up there. And then hi first name. Just sent over the link to the blueprint. I just sent the link to the blueprint to your inbox. Have a great day. Save. All right, now I'm gonna do one more. Yeah, and it's already wait 1 year. Okay. Now, one little extra thing I like to do is I want to separate the ones who don't engage versus the ones that do. So I want to put clicked on link. To me, an engagement is clicking on the link. Okay, because if they're not clicking on the link, they're really not interested. They just open the email. So I'm going to do action has clicked on a link, and I'm going to do the Fiverr meetup deliver assets, and I'll do this one in particular right here. Actually, you know what? Let's just do any link. I really don't care. I just want to see if they're engaged. All right, and we're just going to wait until the conditions are met. Okay. So let's do wait 1 more year. So if I decide to do something else later in the future, I still have time. I could just keep them right in this automation. Okay, so now that's done. One more thing I want to do. I want to go ahead and add everyone to a deal inside of my prospecting pipeline. So we're going to do add a deal. We're going to do full name right over here. And we're going to do just $100. Nothing huge. Prospecting pipeline, and I'm going to put them in the requested FIO. And if they're engaging, I want to move them, update a stage, and I want to move them from in the prospecting pipeline to engaged. Okay, so then what the system is going to do is going to automatically move the ones that are really engaged, so that way I can try to work them and do something else with them. All right, so this ad automation is active and ready to go. And let me just show you really quickly what it looks like as far as the pipeline. So if I go inside of the pipeline and go right over here to my prospecting pipeline, I had, these are from previous events. All right, but now you're going to see the new people show up right in here, so that way we can figure out who's engaged and who's not. So let's go ahead and send these people over. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me all right, and that's it. So I'm just going to launch the campaign, and then we'll take it from there. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.